The value I get from a Partner Connect Day is meeting like-minded people. It's great to meet other MSPs, discuss the challenges and advantages and things and solutions that we've found, so sharing best practice is really helpful.
Meeting with other MSPs and fellow professionals who are working in the same industry and come across similar challenges to ourselves.
Partner Connect Day for us has been fantastic. Get to meet lots of other partners, so it's good to see people, new faces, get to hear how people are using tools. I think knowledge sharing in these things is brilliant, and that's what really helps us use the tooling better.
I absolutely love the events. I'm meeting partners from different size organisations or different parts of the country which maybe I don't normally get to meet. You learn a lot from each other.
But it's also great to have a room of 100 MSPs that are on the same wavelength of security first, meeting the high standards of UK Data Protection Act, EU GDPR, and obviously the new legislation as of January with DORA compliance, which many MSPs are falling behind, sadly.
So we learn a lot about threats and protection that perhaps we hadn't known about before.
Very important to come and see Heimdal's very quickly and rapidly developing products, and there's so many different features. We need to look at the threat landscape, where all the hackers are using, and the change of that scope and how they're actually getting into systems.
The other thing that's an advantage from a day like this, it gives us access to Heimdal themselves. We spoke about commercials, being able to do better deals.
Being able to talk directly with the Heimdal team and their key staff. The good things that we're experiencing and some of the challenges that we're facing.
They listen and you can see them writing down in the notebooks, and you meet the people who are actually in charge of developing the product, and you really can't put value on that.
And also to hear it from Heimdal leadership about the direction they're heading.
It's always really good to see how the team at Heimdal are pushing the company forward. Seeing Morten talk about where he's envisioning things going and where those things are changing and what they're focusing on is really good for us to reaffirm our decision to kind of go with Heimdal.
As a founder and as a business owner, I need confidence in the vendors that we partner with, that they're listening, that they're transparent and they're available, and that's the sort of thing that gets demonstrated to us on partner days like today.